Hey guys, it's Cameron Flemming with the Flemming team, and today we're going to be looking at one of Eastwood Homes' most popular floor plans, the Cypress. This home has 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a loft area. This home also has a guest room downstairs, so come take a look. As we enter this home, please keep in mind that this is new construction and there are a few finishing touches that need to be done. The builder will have this home professionally cleaned and ready for its new owner. As you enter, you'll find your formal living room with beautiful wainscoting. Further down the hall, discover your kitchen, as well as your great room, including a fireplace. One neat feature about this home is there's a full bath plus a guest bedroom downstairs. This home also features a sliding door that leads you to a cozy covered porch. Let's take another look at the kitchen. Now, let's head upstairs. Keep in mind, they have this plastic down to try to protect the carpet for the new owner. The 2 secondary bedrooms upstairs in this home are fairly spacious. Conveniently located upstairs, you'll find your laundry right by the master bedroom. Now let's take a look at the master. One of the best features about this floor plan is the beautiful master bathroom with an awesome soaker tub, walk-in closet, a huge one in my estimation, and a beautiful shower. As we go and take a look at the 3rd full bath in this Cypress floor plan as well as the loft, guys, I'm curious, what's the #1 feature that you must have in your new home? Please let us know down in the comments, and if you like this video, smash the subscribe button and like it so we can know to produce more videos like this to let you know what's out there as far as new construction to buy in the Columbia, South Carolina area. Thanks for watching and have a great day.